Namaste, good morning. I'm now on my way to an adventure, I must say. Chabimura. It's a fascinating place of cliffs and rock carvings, which is one of, it is amazing that they say it is done in the 8th century, but it could have been even earlier, and it's a lot of very difficult steep rocks that they have carved, deities and goddesses and gods there. And I'm on my way there, and this is a picturesque route, very green, and I'm in the height of summer here in the May, yet it is very beautiful, and small villages and hamlets along the way, as you can see. And it's very hot right now. Strangely, there's no rain here, so very hot. And as I was mentioning, this particular place, Chabimura, is on the banks of the river Gomti, and it's a short boat ride which takes you into those carvings. And I'm very excited today, so I'm wanted to bring you some greenery along the way, and I'll continue when I reach Chabimura. Just started the boat ride Chabimura. And these are the first carvings that I see. This is on the river Gomti. And we're going into the river now. It's very steady. You can see the currents. On top, you can see all those carvings. This river, Gomti, is incidentally also referred to as the Amazon of Tripura. Some waterfalls, mangroves. Mardini, who it is believed to be 30 meters of statue or a sculpture carved in steep rocks. Can't wait to watch that and bring it over to all of you. Carving of the goddess Mahishasuramardini. As I was mentioning, a 30 meters tall carving, and it's a spectacle. It's a magnificent spectacle that I'm looking forward to experiencing and bringing it to you. As you can see, there is this boat parked there because I think you can go up and pay your respects and offer your puja there. I don't know whether these people will stop, but we will see. There you can see the beautiful carving, and we are going closer. I hope I can bring it to you better. Oh, it's magnificent. I think he will park it close to where this boat is so that I can do a better justice of the picture, taking a video. It's magnificent. Yeah, we are mooring here, so. Oh. Wow. That's the statue of Mahishasuramardini on a 90 degrees steep rock. I wonder how they did that in those days. Magnificent. And just look at around this steep rock. What kind of tools they must have had. Wow, it's been a steep climb up till here. It's very steep. Magnificent. I mean, imagine how they must have carved it in a rock. It's like 90 degrees. Awesome. After Mahishasuramardini's magnificent carving, now we are on our way to the caves, where it's spectacular because it's a Shiva cave. There's a temple inside that cave, but the way to inside the cave is a little treacherous, slippery. So I don't think I will be going inside the cave, but I will go up to the cave definitely. This is the beautiful way to the caves, and you can see the river just trickling down into a waterfall there, a small one, and people are bathing, and they've tried to put good tiles here so it's easier to walk, and you can see water dripping from this rock. The forest is so dense that very little bit of the sun's rays are reaching down. No wonder it was called, Gomti River is called the Amazon of Northeast, or Tripura in general. There's a Shiva temple, I'm told, before the caves, and after the Shiva temple the route is a little treacherous, so I'm not going to go beyond that. But I just wanted to bring you this beautiful, it really feels like an Amazon forest, and with the water gushing here, or trickling rather, it is so peaceful and meditative. There's a Shiva carved here, and as you can see, this staircase, the water is just falling from the mountains. You can see it here. A kingfisher there. Wow. That's a beautiful carving right there. It's of a man on a horse, maybe Kalki. Now we have come to which are called as the Sapta Devta, the 7 gods whose statues are carved there, the 7 deities, 3 deities, and that is again Mahishasuramardinie or Durga Ma right here. And at the bottom is Lakshmi and Saraswati. And that is the end of the beautiful Chabimura trip, adventure. Chabi means a picture or a painting or a sculpture, and Mura in Tripurian language or the tribal language is called as a mountain. So that is why Chabimura. What an adventure it was. Wow, look at this waterfall. It's called as the Black Waterfall, and this is coming from the hydroelectric power plant on the river Gomti. And incidentally, I just got some information that this is the origin or the place of origin of Gomti river, which is formed by the confluence of Raima river and Sarma river. Beautiful.